Just got a new tool in the mail. I'm going to show you guys some of the functions of it and what my plans for it are. So first we'll unbox it here. Got instructions, of course. It's always nice. Nicely packaged in here. It's got this handle on it. It covers your charging ports there. It's very small, very light. Let's see here. A nice digital screen. And you can set your PSI here to whatever your vehicle or soccer ball or whatever you're trying to air up calls for. Nice that it does in half PSI increments as well. And then it just starts running. So let's go show it in a practical environment here. It's got the cord pulls out of this little side storage cubby here, and it actually screws on. There, that's nice, that stays put. Gives you the readout of what it currently is. And then if I wanted to go higher, let's say 38 was where it was supposed to be. Turn it to that. Once it gets it to that PSI, it kicks off automatically. Another nice feature with this here is it has a flashlight on it. It's pretty darn bright. Let's see how well that works in a dark environment. Alright, out in the garage now, kind of emulating if you had a flat tire or something in the dark. Let me kick this light on here. Pretty nice. Pretty darn bright there. Definitely bright enough to light up the valve stem so you can get this all hooked up and get your tire aired up. Also comes with different attachments for charging the battery and airing up different like bike tires, basketball, soccer ball, stuff like that as well. A little side cubby where the hose is. You can keep your attachments there, and it actually allows you to secure a couple to the lid here as well. So my plan with this, I do a lot of traveling where I'm pulling a car trailer or a boat or a camper. I like to have, I've got my little jump box here just in case, a little power inverter. I'm going to find some way to mount this right here. That way if I ever get a low tire, I've got a plug right here, which is nice. If I ever get a low tire on the Excursion or whatever trailer I'm pulling, I've got a way to air it up right here. I'll be able to plug it into the power inverter to keep it charged. So yeah, I'm happy with it. I'll just put a link in the comment section here, the description, and if you guys have any questions or anything about it, feel free to ask and I will answer them. Thanks for watching.